Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing and review of these three products, and we've got the Parkside drill bit set model PBBS 3A1. Let's see the first one, the blue. Inside we're going to find out 10 to 25 millimeter bits, 6 high-speed steel spiral bits, 1 6 millimeter bit holder. Let's see the second one. It has 16 to 25 millimeter bits, 5 to 50 millimeter bits, and 1 to 60 millimeter bit holder, magnetic. Let's find out if it is magnetic. Yep, it is magnetic. And the third one, we have 6 to 28 millimeters precision bits. We have 1 40 millimeter bit holder, magnetic. We have 1 60 millimeter bit holder, and we have 16 bits of 25 millimeter. They cost €4 each one, 444, totally €12. Definitely it's something that you need into your home for some DIY projects, for some assembly, to do some screwing into your furniture, wherever is suitable for you. I think for €4 each one it's a great price. Why not, if you needed to buy it? I'm not going to show you how to use them. I already done in my other videos. You can check it in the right on the corner, how to use some of these bits and drilling with your core drills drill Parkside. And this is the green one. It has 6 precision bits. You can use it maybe to disassemble your smartphone, to do some more precise work. Well guys, that was all. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.